Name of the shop is Rusty Balls in Ruidoso, New Mexico. They got a bunch of custom stuff out here. Including the Cadillac. A lot of vintage stuff. Nice lip on it too. Package tray is all original. Keyboard slammed to the ground. Little Chevy cab over. Still building this. That's gonna be nasty when it's done. Some of the engine work. No comments. What's this one going into?
That goes to that truck.
No, the cab over?
Yeah, it sits in the back of it.
Oh, that's got to be slick to look at.
And it connects to that trailer right there. The trailer is there back there.
Wow. Buick Special. Tow truck. That one's for sale. $15K. This could be yours.
It's over there, look. I already have it where you wanted it over there, on top of the rail. Is that where you wanted to go? That's gonna be the... No, that's...